Hello and welcome. Beyonce and Jay Z's eldest daughter, Blue Ivy, turned 8 yesterday. But while most people wished the little girl happy birthday, there were so many haters online attacking the child. And the person running E! News' Twitter account is being accused of being one of them. Last night, the network tweeted out what looked like an intentional dig at Blue by calling her an adult. They asked, "Can somebody explain to us why Blue Ivy became an adult?" Beyonce's fans were infuriated and immediately responded. Within minutes, E! News' Twitter account was flooded with negative comments. They eventually had to delete the comment, but not before Beyonce's fans did their damage. Here's a post that E! News posted on Twitter that caused Beyonce's fans to go on the attack. And here's a response. Fans were stunned when they saw the grown-up Blue, and they sent love and well wishes to the comment section of Grandpa's post. "Happy birthday, princess. Beyonce has your back forever, I promise," one dedicated fan wrote, while another said, "OMG, she's gorgeous, happy birthday. Blue Ivy is a presence. She's the actual energy force that brought this image together, and we owe her, the real supreme," a follower said. Beyonce recently shared 2 photos of herself and Blue Ivy at the same age. Fans couldn't get over how much the mother and daughter looked alike. The comparison photos came shortly before little Blue Ivy would be brutally attacked for her looks. The irony is that the people who were making the attacks compared her looks to Jay Z's and said that she was taking after her father. Happy birthday, Blue Ivy. Thank you for listening, and for more news, please subscribe.